आई एम ऑल राइट। आप बताइए। So, how are your studies going on? I'm all right, Jyotika. Good evening, Sophia. How are your studies going on? Oh, nice. Good approach. Best, better, and excellent. So, what we are going to study today? What we are going to study today? Do you know? Future perfect continuous tense. Yes. So, this is the last tense, and after that, we are completing with the tenses. You know that? Okay, let's start up with the future perfect continuous tense. Wait for a while, just I want my presentation to be ready for you people. Okay, what is future perfect continuous tense? Future perfect continuous has two different forms. Will have been doing and be going to have been. Be going to have been doing. Unlike simple future form, future perfect continuous forms are usually interchangeable. मतलब इनको भी हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. मोस्ट प्रॉबली ये होती हैं विल हैव बीन डूइंग. ठीक है जी. इसका क्या रहता क्या है? इसका रहता है सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. So, like if you will have been waiting for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives. You will have been waiting. मतलब तुम 2 साल तक तुम तब तक वेट करते रहोगे जब तक 2 साल तक उसकी फ्लाइट अराइव नहीं करती. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, दोनों ही सेंटेंसेस जो होते हैं वो फ्यूचर में होते हैं. ठीक है. Will have you been waiting for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives? क्या तुम 2 साल तक वेट कर रहे होगे जब उसका प्लेन फाइनली आएगा? Yes. You will not have been waiting for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives. तुम 2 साल तक नहीं वेट कर रहे होगे. You will not have been. You will have been. ठीक है. इस तरह यूज करते हैं हम. लेट्स सी कैसे. फॉर्म ऑफ द बी गोइंग टू बी होते हैं, है ना। बी गोइंग टू मतलब क्या होता है, बी का मतलब ही हमेशा होता है इज एम आर, इज एम आर प्लस गोइंग टू हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी। यू आर गोइंग टू हैव बीन वेटिंग for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives. You are going to have been waiting. मतलब तुम इतना वेट कर रहे होगे, ठीक है। मतलब वो दो तरह के कह रहा है, एक होता है विल हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, एक होता है मतलब इट इज एम आर प्लस गोइंग टू हैव बीन, ठीक है, मतलब ऐसा हो रहा होगा प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। आर यू गेटिंग? क्या समझ आ रहा है? दो तरह के सेंटेंसेस आएंगे यहाँ पे। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग? Yes, what about others? We are 49 students over here. इसमें मैंने कहा है कि ये एक ऐसा टेंस है जिसके दो ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स हैं। एक रूल ये है जो लगता है इज एम आर प्लस गोइंग टू हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। ये समझ आ गया आपने? अब इज एम आर तो आपको पता है, मैंने सिखा दिया, वो सब्जेक्ट से चूज करना है हमने। सब्जेक्ट अगर सिंगुलर है तो वी विल बी यूजिंग इज, अगर वो आई है तो वी विल बी यूजिंग एम, है ना। अगर वो ही यू कैन से आई वी दे यू है तो वी दे यू है तो आर, है ना। उसके साथ हमने ऐसे लगाना है यू आर गोइंग टू हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर मोर देन, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, या ऐसे लिखते यू विल हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर मोर देन 2 hours। ये देखो, इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं, विल हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। सो इसके दो वेज है, आप किसी भी तरह लिख सकते हो। दैट ऑलवेज मीन्स दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। हाँ जी, कोई काम फ्यूचर में स्टार्ट होगा और फ्यूचर में खत्म नहीं हो जाएगा, फ्यूचर में होगा और तब तक तुम ये कर रहे होंगे। she will have you can say she will have been coming from the office and you will have been working, ठीक है। मतलब दोनों ही कॉन्टिन्यूअस फॉर्म में ऐसा होगा और तुम ऐसा कर रहे होगे, ठीक है। दोनों ही प्रेडिक्टेड होते हैं और फ्यूचर में होते हैं। इसमें हम यूज करते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। और इसके भी दो रूल्स हैं, एक आप लगाते हो विल हैव बीन, या लगा देते हो इज एम आर प्लस गोइंग टू हैव बीन। गोइंग टू हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब का, मतलब तुम ऐसा कर रहे होगे, तुम ऐसा कर रहे होगे, ओके। सी सम ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस, आई विल हैव बीन स्लीपिंग, है ना, मतलब मैं तब सो रही होंगी। कब वो हमने नहीं बताया, हमने अभी बताया हम छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे पहले। I will have been sleeping, you will have been sleeping, you will have been crying, you will have been driving, है ना। We will have been enjoying, they will have been enjoying, he will have been sleeping, she will have been sleeping, I will have been sleeping। पार्टिसिपल होता है वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म। Okay, now you will make the sentences with subject plus will have been plus verb का first form plus ing plus object. बनाओ. I will have been eating. अब इतना ही बनाओ. अभी सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बनाओ. I will have been eating. They will have been crying. She will have been working. She will have been reading. I will have been. You will have been studying. She will have been watering the plants. He will have been working. Will have been listening. I will have been driving. I will have been doing. He will have been speaking. They will have been washing. I will have been running. He will have been working. I will have been preparing the UPSC exam. They will have been working. I am going to have been dancing. मैंने बोला था अभी गोइंग टू वाले मत बनाओ. अभी सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बनाओ. If there are 59 students, then I want that 59 should you can say participate. I will have been teaching the students. We will have been working. अब इसके नेगेटिव बनाओ. Start making I will have been के नेगेटिव. We will have been working. I will have not been driving the car. She will not be, have been working. Hmm. She will not have been eating. They will not have been. I will have been joining the class. You will have been teaching when I will. Manu will have not been eating. He will not have been jogging. He will not have been playing. I will not have been running. They will not have been playing. Children will not have been studying. She will not have been standing. Ram will not have been clevering boy. Ram will not have been clevering boy. What is this? Seema will have not been cooking. I will not have been reading. Mohan will not have been reading. Pooja will not have been fighting. Okay, now make their interrogatives. Make interrogative sentences. Please, if you are 59 students online, everyone should be making the sentences. I should be seeing everyone's sentences. Will she have been cheating? Will he have been cooking? Will he have been studying? Will I have been waiting? Will you have been? Will they have been sleeping? Will you have been running? Will you have been running when I will come? Will they have been publishing this their company? Will you have been joining us? Will Modi government have been running after 2024? Will you have been teaching? Will you have been trying? Will she have today last night work? Will they have been playing? Will they have been watching the IPL match? Will you have been attending the meeting? Will you have been watching in video? Will you have been watching the video? Will you have been coming back? Will they have been crying? Will they have been attending seminars? Will you have been seeing animals? Will you have been seeing animals? Will she have been healthy? Will you have been working on the project? Will they have been playing games? Will you have not been watching Lift behind move? Will you been staying for more 2 hours? Will you have been? Okay, now make the sentences. Will you have not will you have been not prayer? Prayer के spelling PRAYER. Okay. Please going to go now make the sentences with the help of going to have been. Going to have been. Make the sentences with this. Will you have not been left behind moving? ठीक है बिल्कुल ज्योतिका. Now make the sentences with the going to have been. आपने किस किसने कल संडे रिवाइज करे हैं टेंसेस? Tell me. किस किसने संडे रिवाइज करे हैं टेंसेस? ओके, आज किए बट किए तो है ना। जिसने अब तक नहीं किए वो कौन है? वेरी नाइस स्टूडेंट्स। नहीं करे आप लोगों ने? क्यों नहीं करे? Oh, what happened, Sophia, to you? Oh, take care of yourself, please. शिवम, आपको टाइम क्यों नहीं मिला भाई? कौन सा एग्जाम था आपका? Which exam you were having? Okay. Okay, please now make the sentences with I am, जैसे am या is am are going to have been, इसके साथ बनाओ going to have been. He is going to have been dancing. You are going to have been watching TV. He is going to have been. She have been going to studying. You are going to have been must watching. You are going to have been watching. They are going to have been studying. They are going to have been playing football. She is going to have been. I'm going to the college. I'm going to the college. I am going to have been praying. They are going to have been eating. He is going to have been watching movie on the TV. She is going to have been playing carom. इसमें कुछ नहीं समझ आने वाली बात, इसमें फ्यूचर के बारे में, मतलब फ्यूचर में तुम ऐसे कर रहे होगे जब ऐसा होगा। इसमें क्या है, जा तो आपने लगा देना है गोइंग टू हैव बीन या आ जाना विल हैव बीन। यू will have been plus verb का first form plus ing plus you will have been finishing the class by 7:30. You are going to finish the class by 7:30. You are going to have been. ठीक है, जहां आपने क्या बना देना है, you will have been finishing the class. Tomorrow I am going to have been driving at this time. Tomorrow I am going to have been driving this time. ठीक है, बिल्कुल. I am going to have been purchasing a new Bible. They are going to have been riding. I am going to have been playing the cricket. They will have been going to. They will. She is going to have been dancing. I am going to have been purchasing. English lecture will have English lecture will going to have been interesting. English lecture will going to have been interesting. Tomorrow I am going to have been. He will go. He will have. He will have been going to Delhi. PM Modi is going to have been inaugurating. They are going to have been performing. I am going to have been. Uh, I'm going to have been taking admission. I've been exposing her plan. She is going to have been arriving in India. We are going to have been working hard. We are going we will going to have We will have been going to. ISOR is going to have been launching the Aditya L Saloon. English lecture will going to have been interesting. English lecture will going to have been. We are going to have been enjoying. He is dancing. To have been enjoying the party. We will have been waiting. You will have been waiting. Jyotika, it was not correct. Make the sentence with the help of a grammatical rule. I am not going to Bilaspur city. ऐसे नहीं I am not वाला तो ऐसे आना ही नहीं है बच्चे. I am not going to have been. मैं सबका चेक करती हूँ. RBI is going to have been launching expansion policy soon. Shivam is making good sense. I am not have been. I am not going to have been. Going लगना ही लगना है. Don't disturb to me. I will have been working since morning. We are going to have been playing. I am going to have been worshipping. PM Modi going to have been launching the Atal I am not going to have been writing some notes. I am not going to have been going to the Bilaspur city. Police is not going to have been removing the barricades. I am not have been watching the two IPL match for the last 2 hours. Government of India is going to have been disseminating news. Diljit is not going to have been launching his next song. It is going to have been launching new phone. It is going to have been. कभी नॉन लिविंग थिंग भी फोन लॉन्च कर सकती है. Why don't we make the sentencing using this sense? You will going to have been cooking. I am going to have been preparing for the exams. Don't disturb me. I will going to have been studying. America is going to have been launching the vaccine of COVID-19 within 6 months. Saurabh, she will have been coming back at her father's house after the marriage. I am going to have been trying for cooking. Very nice, Manpreet. जो चीज सेंटेंस में my mother is not going to have been making food for me. Why, Nitesh? Why your mother is not going to cook food for you? ऊपर से हंस भी रहे हो. Okay, just a sentence. That's okay. She is going to have been consulting the doctor soon. I am going to have been painting a picture. Samsung company will going to have been launching new CES phone. We will going to have been watching Haveli. We will going to have been watching Haveli. What is this? I am going to have been playing because I'm tired. My father is going to have been taking dinner. To have been launching new laptops. ठीक है आपको समझ. ये जो परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस होते हैं ना ये सारे बहुत रेयर यूज होते हैं. सबसे ज्यादा यूज होते हैं सिंपल पास्ट, देन सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सिंपल फ्यूचर, देन इट इज कॉन्टिन्यूस एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज परफेक्ट. बट ये जो है ये बहुत कम यूज होता है और दिस इज वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्सिबल. So need not to you can say use despite quite quickly. Whenever there is a requirement, just use then only. I will have been sleeping. I will not have been sleeping. Will I have been sleeping? प्लीज इधर देखो अब. ठीक है. Will have been, shall have been, will have not been, will not have been. देखो मेरे से भी बोलने वक्त गलती हो गई. Will not have been. You have been sleeping. To have been affiliating by CBSC. She will have been sleeping. She will not have been sleeping. Will she have been sleeping? Charanjit sir is going to have been taking class. Continuous है ना. ING तो आना ही आना after the English class. I will have been studying. I am going to have been making coffee. I will have been studying. They will have been making notes. I will have been taking tea. I am going to have been drawing the picture. This class is going to have been very interesting. He is going to have been facing obstacles in this process. He is going to have been departing soon. Will you have been going to the mall? I will have been seeing the book. I will have been playing piano. Company is going to have been. She is going to have been marrying soon. Oh my god. Don't do that. I will have been Cele. Cele. Chalo, let's do some of the facts related to this now. You had made good sentences, even practice that. Moreover, read once, you will come to understand. Duration before something in the future. Can they we use the future continuous tense to show that something will continue up until a particular event or the time in the future? मतलब कुछ continue होगा for 5 minutes for 2 weeks since Friday, all the durations which can be used with the future continuous, future perfect continuous. Notice that this is related to present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. However, with future perfect continuous, the duration stops at or before a reference point. ठीक है, मतलब कहते हैं ड्यूरेशन जो है मतलब वो बताती है कि जैसे 2 घंटे 2 वीक बाद मतलब वो एंड वाला टाइम बता देती है। तो यहाँ पे ये है दे विल हैव बीन टेकिंग फॉर ओवर एन आवर, है ना। तो दे विल हैव बीन टेकिंग फॉर ओवर एन आवर बाय द टाइम she is going to have been working at the company for 3 years when it finally closes। मतलब शी विल गोइंग टू हैव बीन वर्किंग एट द कंपनी फॉर 3 years। तब तक वो 3 साल हो चुके होंगे कि वो काम कर रही होगी कंपनी में। मतलब वो ये कह रहे हैं फ्यूचर में ड्यूरेशन ये बता देते हैं कि काम कब खत्म होगा, उसका एंडिंग टाइम जो है दैट इज बीइंग शोन। सो यहाँ पे वही है जेम्स विल हैव बीन टीचिंग एट द यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर मोर देन अ ईयर बाय द टाइम ही लीव्स फॉर एशिया। हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू हैव बीन स्टडिंग व्हेन यू आर अ ग्रेजुएट, है ना। जब तुम ग्रेजुएट थे तो तुम कब कितना पढ़ते थे। वी आर गोइंग टू हैव बीन ड्राइविंग फॉर ओवर 3 days straight when we got to the एंकोरेज। आपको ये समझ आया है कॉन्सेप्ट क्या मैंने बोला है? ओके, व्हाट कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैव टॉट यू ओवर हियर, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। यहाँ पे हमने ये बताया है कि फ्यूचर, हम कोई भी यहाँ पे फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस में बात करते हैं, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में, तो हम क्या बताते हैं कि वो काम कब तक खत्म हो जाएगा, जो टाइम है उसको स्पेसिफाई किया जाता है, और वो भी एंडिंग टाइम। ये चीज बता रही हूं। अब ये सेंटेंसेस है, प्लीज रीड दो सेंटेंसेस विच आर देयर ऑन द स्क्रीन so that you will be able to understand. They will have been talking for over an hour by the time. तब तक उनको 1 घंटा हो गया होगा बात करते हुए। She is going to have been working at the company for 3 years. है ना, मतलब तब तक वो 3 साल हो गए होंगे कंपनी में बात करते हुए। When it finally closes, जब वो कंपनी मतलब फाइनली बंद हुई। जेम्स विल हैव बीन टीचिंग एट द यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर मोर देन अ ईयर। मतलब अब यहाँ पे भी क्या है, टाइम बता दिया, ड्यूरेशन बता दी। व्हाट दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, दैट इन द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस duration of the event will be specified. Understood? Now make sentence in this way. They will have been attending the they will have been attending the church ending time. ये क्या? ये भी ठीक है। You will have been working in the office for 2 hours. They will have been making the drawing for 2 hours. She will have been staying in Canada for 2 months. Rohan will have been completing his graduation when he was 17 years old. They will have been going to Delhi. I will have been doing this for 2 hours. I will have been working at my company for 3 years. They will have been making the process for computer software. We will have been attending the lecture for 1 hour. You will have been eating the sweet over 2 times. They will have been teaching for 2 hours. Have been completing plus two since last year. I will have been completing plus two after a year. Okay, let's do something relevant more into it. If you understood this, Sophia will have been teaching at EISE for more than 4 years when it is affiliating by the time when it is affiliating with. My mother will have been living in Canada. Ma'am, you have been okay. You have understood that कि वहां पे duration बताई होती है. After over the after over नहीं after the English lecture. I will have been joining the ISA post after 1 year. ओके कॉज ऑफ समथिंग इन द फ्यूचर. एक तो बात है कि हमने टाइम ड्यूरेशन बताई होती है. अब यहाँ पे है कि हमने कॉज भी बताया होता है, उसका रीजन भी बताया होता है. दैट इज व्हाट इज बीइंग टोल्ड ओवर हियर. यूजिंग द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस बिफोर अनदर एक्शन इन द फ्यूचर is a good way to show the cause and the effect. Example, Jason will be tired when he gets home. कहते हैं जैसन जो है वो क्या होगा, थका होगा when he gets home. है ना. Jason will be tired when he gets home because he will have been jogging for an hour. अब आपने क्या है कि आपने उसका रीजन बताया क्यों वो थका होगा, क्योंकि उसने जॉगिंग करी होगी 1 घंटे से ऊपर. Claudia's English will be perfect when she returns to Germany because she is going to have been studying English in the United States for more than 2 years. अब आप भी ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बनाओ जिसमें यू विल बी लेटिंग नो द you can say the meaning of that. They will have been playing over an hour by the time. I will not have been playing cricket because I am attending the English lecture. I will have not been playing cricket because I am attending the English lecture. She will have not been done the graduation. She will have been completed the graduation. मैंने बोला है continuous में है. I will have been playing dancing because I am attending the meeting. They will have been going to the jogging the institute after the December because of the lockdown. He will be promoted because he will have been working at the company over the period of 2 years. I will have I will not have been eating because I attend the class. Because I was attending the class. Corona will be finished before 2021 because lots of people have been praying for it. Very good. He is going to have been borrowing money from the bank. Sheila have been expired because after 1 year she will have been on the second stage of cancer. There will be guiding excellent because her parents gave best guidelines. Ashish will have been trying when he gets the home because he will have been playing football over an hour. I will have not been attending the lecture because I will have been learning. He will not have been attending the class. Today is not political class. We we will always be ready for the day of judgment because we don't know have been when the Jesus coming back. We always be ready for the day of judgment because we don't know. I will not have been today last exam. I will have been buying a new bicycle but I have not the money. We will have been more time for learning and making sentences because today will no political class. Because today we will not be having the political class. Charanjit sir will not have been taking the class because of having an urgent piece of work. Because of going to have an urgent piece of work. India will have become superpower because India will have been improving their armed and defense sector. बिल्कुल सही है शिवम. Charanjit sir will not have been taking the class today because of having an urgent piece of work. Ram will have been studying for over 2 hours. चलो आपको ये भी पता चल गया कि students will not have been hard working for an IAS officer. I will not have been coming today because I am ill. I will not have been. He will become a good officer. He will have been focusing on her. If he will have been focusing on her mistake. He will become a good officer because he will have been focusing on her mistake. He will become a good officer because he will have been focusing on his mistake. Okay, let's discuss something else. I'm having little more information to discuss. Future continuous versus future perfect continuous. उसका क्या मतलब है? If you do not include a duration such as for 5 minutes or for 2 weeks or since Friday, many English speakers choose to use the future continuous rather than the future perfect continuous. Be careful because this can change the meaning of the sentence. Future continuous emphasizes interrupted actions, whereas future perfect continuous emphasize the duration of the time before something in the future. Study the examples below to understand the difference. He will be tired because he will be exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will be exercising at that exact moment in the future. कि वो उस टाइम पे क्या है, काम कर रहा, एक्सरसाइज कर रहा होगा. ठीक है. ही विल बी टायर्ड बिकॉज ही विल हैव बीन एक्सरसाइजिंग सो हार्ड. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, फ्यूचर में कैसे लिखना है या फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में कैसे लिखना है, उसकी बात कर रहे थे. ही विल हैव बीन अ गुड ऑफिसर बिकॉज ही विल हैव बीन फोकसिंग ऑन हिज मिस्टेक्स. He will be tired because he will be exercising so hard. मतलब वो टायर्ड होगा क्योंकि वो बहुत एक्सरसाइज कर रहा होगा. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will be exercising at that exact moment in the future. ठीक है. He will be tired because he will have been exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will be. वो यही कह रहे हैं कि इन दोनों में फर्क होता है, फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में. क्यों फर्क होता है? कि वो कह रहा है कि वो टायर्ड होगा बिकॉज वो एक्सरसाइज कर रहा होगा. ठीक है. दैट इज फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस, है ना. अगर मैंने फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में बोलना है तो मैं बोलूंगी ही विल बी टायर्ड बिकॉज ही विल हैव बीन एक्सरसाइजिंग सो हार्ड. ठीक है. क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज कर रहा होगा, तो वो कॉन्टिन्यूस में है. ठीक है. आ रही है समझ? Will be weak when he will be watching TV. If he will be watching TV, he will be tired because he will be running. So ऐसा है कि ये पूरा प्रॉपर तो आज नहीं खत्म हो सकता. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग कॉन्सेप्ट. But yes, what we can do is you just revise up to this for today, and tomorrow we will continue with the rest part of it. इतना रिवाइज करना और प्रिपेयर होना कि हम इसके एक्टिव पैसिव फॉर्म भी करेंगे. What we will do it? Active passive form also. Welcome ji, welcome. Good night. Oh my God, Shivam, thank you. चाहे सेंटेंस ही बनाते हो, but you make me feel happy. Welcome, welcome, dear students. But please, अब इन tenses को करते हैं डिस्कस. God bless you. Okay, ji, fine. Bye bye.